Guys, long time no videos. This video right here is just going to be me showing you guys how I bleach my pre-ombre hair from SayMe hair company that I reviewed a couple months ago. I just wasn't all the way happy with how the front portion of the closure looked. I just felt like the brown color just came down a little too far and I just wanted more blonde. So right now I'm just showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using to bleach this hair. Of course, I'm going to leave everything that I use in the description box below so you guys don't feel left out. But here I am right now just applying that bleach mixture to the hair, and what I'm doing is just doing a swift motion up and down the hair right in the front on the closure. I'm leaving the rest of the hair to be, you know, in the regular ombre state. It's just that I want it more blonde towards the top of my head in the front, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using the Kaliedocolors powder bleach. I got it from my beauty supply store. They're really cheap package, so yeah, that's what I'm using right now. And for the whole duration of this clip, you're just gonna see me applying the bleach mixture to the closure. So it's pretty much self-explanatory, so I don't feel like I have to talk much more.
Think the song is about you, don't you, don't you? Yeah. Just some shit that's been on my mind for a minute, but baby, I need you right back in the champagne thoughts too. The champagne thoughts to you, you know. Help me sing it. Conversations with mama, I ain't been having conversations with no one. These are things that I'm trying to grow, all this love that I try to show, all this bud that I'm about to smoke. Yeah, it's so hard trying to maintain this shit. So hard trying to live through this shit. I might as well just take the K, knock them thoughts right off of my face. The champagne got me thinking real hard of all the things we done took it this far. I might as well just sit back with the Henny, cause that's the only thing that keep a nigga friendly. If you bring the peace, I raise too. If you loving me, I love you. Baby, it's me and you, let's never fight. I'm sorry, I can make it right, but I love you, don't ignore me. Am I getting through? I bet you think the song is about you, don't you, don't you? Yeah. Just some shit that's been on my mind for a minute, but baby, I need you right back.
Hey guys, now here I am using my Shimmer Light shampoo to wash out the bleach and tone the hair, because normally when you bleach hair and you just leave it on its own, it's a brassy orange kind of undertone to the hair color. So I just wanted to make sure that I didn't have that at all. So here I am just being very generous with how much shampoo I'm using. So yeah, I'm just lathering that up before I rinse it off, and that's pretty much self-explanatory, I would think. Now here I am blow drying the hair. As you can see, I lifted it to a very nice blonde color, and I noticed that the shampoo that I use toned the existing blonde colors to a lighter blonde, and then the hair at the top was more so like a honey blonde, so it got more of another ombre look. It's just that at the roots of my hair, they're a little bit darker than the remainder, which is okay. That's why I chose to style the hair and curl it so that the color difference wasn't that apparent to, you know, a regular person. Okay, so right now you're watching me section my hair off because I am about to get ready to flat iron curl this hair, which was pretty straight to the point. I use this red ceramic flat iron. It's 1 inch, and I'm just doing some very kind of lazy curls. I didn't want them to be too hard, you know, to the point where I couldn't style them or just run my fingers through them. So I'm just doing very loose curls just to add some body to this hair, and that's really all I'm going to be doing in this clip. So I don't want to, you know, talk you guys' ear off. Just watch me work.
Conversations with mama, I ain't been having conversations with no one. These are things that I'm trying to grow, all this love that I try to show, all this bud that I'm about to smoke. Yeah, it's so hard trying to maintain this shit. So hard trying to live through this shit. I might as well just take the K, knock them thoughts right off of my face. The champagne got me thinking real hard of all the things we done took it this far. Might as well just sit back with the Henny, cause that's the only thing that keep a nigga friendly. If you bring the peace, I raise too. If you loving me, I love you. Baby, it's me and you. Let's never fight. I'm sorry, I can make it right, but I love you. Don't ignore me. Am I getting through? I bet you think the song is about you. Don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Just some shit that's been on my mind for a minute, but baby, I need you right back in the champagne thoughts too. The champagne thoughts to you, you know. Help me sing it.
Okay guys, now this is the final product of how my hair turned out. Excuse my weird look into the camera. I just wanted to make sure that my whole little setup was looking good, but I love the dimensions of the blonde along with still having some brown in the wig as well from the previous color. I really love how it came out. The hair took to the bleach very well. It was not like dry or brittle at all, so I can really give this hair a thumbs up. Even though in my initial review I did say that this hair was pretty thin for my liking, because this is 4 bundles, and honestly if I had used anything less it would have been too thin for my liking. But as far as the quality, I love the fact that I could go over it again with bleach, since this is already pre-bleached hair and it's still as shiny as ever, because I don't believe I added any type of products into this hair after I bleached it. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this nice blonde color on my SayMe hair that I reviewed previously. It's probably going to be the video before this, and in that video the hair originally was in the 1B color number 4 and then color number 27, so basically a natural black. a reddish brown, and then a blonde color. But I was not too happy with how far the natural black came down on the closure, so I just put myself to the test. I was like, I just want to bleach the whole entire front portion of this wig, which is exactly what I did. I just left a little bit of the root area as it was before, but in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the process of how I achieved this color, what products I use, which will also be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out, as well as the initial review on this hair. I will leave everything that you guys need for this hair in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Do not overlook it. Make sure you check out everything before you ask a question, because you might find something that's going to answer your question before you ask it. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and give this video a thumbs up, turn the bell on for notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
That's the only thing that keep a nigga friendly. If you bring the peace, I raise too. If you loving me, I love you. Baby, it's me and you. Let's never fight. I'm sorry.